Director SLNS Nature Cure, BB Nagar. I am introducing Sri ISN Raju Garu, Indupuri Satyanarayan Raju Garu. He is National Council member of Institutions of Engineers of India, and is also technical consultant to NABARD, Bank of AP and Telangana, and former Chief Engineer of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Sir, can you please
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Good.
Can you please share your experience at the time of admission, what complaints you have, and how you felt after 7 days of treatment, and what are the changes in your bodies?
Okay. It is my pleasure. Actually, I was introduced to Dr. Karthik by our Chief Secretary, former Chief Secretary Thakkar sir. Actually, so from that day onwards, I was in contact with Dr. Karthik. So actually, it is my pleasure to have a break of 1 week, and I decided to stay in SLNS Nature Cure Clinic. So because of our attachment and also the guidance given by the Dr. Karthik. Actually, day one, when I came here, so actually my blood pressure seriously it is undulating, and that is not uniform there. So from the day one I started. So yes, suggested the good diet of that vegetarian diet was given, and also timely juice that gives you a lot of proteins and vitamins were given, and also different treatments like mud bath and full massage, and also stomach pad treatment, all those things were given. And especially the morning that yoga practice, nearly it is about 1 hour 15 minutes. So I started practicing this yoga. Earlier I used to do it, but not in a systematic way. So after came here, so Dr. Karthik told me, scientifically we can do yoga, and that now it has given me a lot of value addition. After going from here also, I can continue that yoga. So I think I can 1 hour yoga is always good. And the Dr. Karthik is supported by some internals also. So they are regularly checking my BP both morning and evening, and also my weight also. So one good symptom, and which I enjoyed, the day one I came here, my weight was 78.2 kilograms. Every day it is reducing by a kg. As on today, it has come down to 75.2 kgs. And other intervention is fasting. Everybody says that fasting is good for health. It was advised by ancestors also, our elders also used to have fasting whenever there is an ailment. So here also 2 days, 48 hours I took fasting with only fruits and juices only. So I think that might be a good thing, and I reduced my weight, and it has lightened my body also, and that is one of the reasons for reducing this weight. And also it has given a lot of confidence and lot of pleasure to the body. Body is just very light and all those things. So these are the things. And another important thing is, so Dr. Karthik, he has provided a lot of facilities here. Actually, he got my blood test sample also got tested. So by most authorized and recognized laboratory also. So normally, when our tests are come, so with our own self knowledge only, we think that lipid profile and serum creatine might be sufficient. Seeing the readings also, we are comfortable. But after the test results are also there, some other parameters are also there that every man or every patient or the common man has to observe and also follow it, that one else. And the beautiful environment, actually people say that we are comfortable or happy, means the environment is very, very important. And also the environment, and also the ambience also important. This SLNS hospital is located in a 1 acre. I can say that is a farm clinic. So normally we say about farm houses. Now it is a farm clinic. So I mean, normally when I am staying in Hyderabad, mostly urban life, you also know, mostly we will be traveling within urban roads like cement roads, and also staying within compound house, or sometimes in my office. So I don't have any facility to have a green space. That much good green space is available here, and also a lot of good trees for plantations and all those things are here. So I am spending most of the time sitting in our chambers. So 80% of my time I am spending just roaming around this nice campus, the Ambience campus, green campus, what you say that one. And another important thing is So I love walking, but now I say how systematically I can walk. Dr. Karthik has taught me and also used to accompany me in the morning also. Morning I am taking a walk of 45 to 1 hour and evening also 45 to 1 hour. So that walking also, earlier I used to take one time only, now 2 times walking also. My that digestion system is also improved, and actually another important thing I would like to tell you, normally I wake up at 6 o'clock or 6:30. Now after coming here, a good habit, automatically I am waking up at 4:30, getting ready for the yoga at about 5:45. Up to 7 o'clock I am doing yoga. Just have some juice, a cup of juice of the healthy juice. We are going for walking 7 to 8. After that, just facilities also there. So I think that the time is spending time is I never find time is a problem here. And apart from all that, it's a good break for me. I never get this break if I am there at my home or in my office or anything else. So now it was basically I got some fancy for this naturopathy. Now after traveling with Dr. Karthik and spending good time here, now I decided that I need to have some more breaks. I think at frequent intervals also I want to come to Nature Cure Hospital, depending on my leisure time and all those things to stay here. That improves the health. And other important thing is de-aging and de-medication. De-medication means de-allopathic medicine. As it is, I am also using. I am actually my ailments are marginal, negligible. Presently, I am taking only one BP tablet and also one this cholesterol tablet only. So after this, I am of the view that whatever doses I have taken after this treatment and continuing the treatment, I can reduce the dosages. At one point of time, ultimately we can switch over to other other medicines, naturopathic medicines also. Is ultimate my goal, and my confidence level is ultimate now. So it was very much improved naturally. Originally, I am a man with a lot of confidence, and also this one else self discipline is also there. So after coming here, now I got a great belief that earlier I may think that I may live up to 77 years, 80 years, where my father and others lived up to that years. Now I got a confidence that I can touch even 90s, and also my next aim is to touch 100 years also. Hope that everything went on well. I have to. That is my goal. My goal in my personal life. So apart from my official goals. Thank you, Mr. Karthik, for all these things. Sir.
Yeah, one more question, sir. Sir, as you 3 months back we met and I suggested you some super
Yes.
supplements like antioxidants,
Yes.
and you started feeling some changes, skin changes, and
Yes.
your relatives or your friends were saying about your face and anti-aging.
Yes.
So can you please tell about
So
how you
earlier
feel and how are those things?
earlier I used to limited dry fruits are there. That is some yellow, green kismis and some black kismis and other badam and other things are there. But after I met, so Dr. Karthik suggested to have blueberries also. So to take 3-4 varieties of blueberries, blueberry, blackberry, cranberry, like that also there. And apart from that also, he has suggested one black seed oil also to have that 2 spoons of that one. I started taking that one, and he has given some other D vitamin tablet and other capsules of nature. They were manufactured from nature. And all these 3 months practice, normally you cannot have change by ourselves sitting. So I got a feedback from other people also that there is a lot of change in my face, and some of my colleagues are there. They are feeling envy that my face is not that much aging when compared to them. And also skin color is also changed. The people are telling, I think one of my relatives recently I gone to native place, they say that now your skin is changed to white. And also the pleasure in the face is also there. These are all happening. So because of this the treatment or my guidance and my meditation with Karthik for the last 3-4 months, and what I feel that more than all these things, my association with Karthik has given me a lot of change and a lot of lifestyle also, which I want to continue and according to my convenience and all those things.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving your valuable feedback. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and I am very happy that we'll travel together forever.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.